Stuart, Florida. We're heading into the mooring field to practice picking up a mooring ball. Okay, we're turning right, so I guess that's going to be it over there, straight ahead on the camera. Plans are to pick it up on the port side.
Backing up.
I'd like to walk up to the front of the anchor pulpit and carry it around.
Oh,
Walk up there on top.
all right.
So that way you don't have to bend over.
Okay.
Was that easier?
Yeah.
And just pull in all the slack to make it as short as possible. Okay.
She's good there.
Yep, that's good. That was easy.
Yeah, that was. She's on.